हेलो। आज हम बताएंगे व्हाट आर द कोर एआई स्किल नीडेड टू सक्सेस बाय 2026। To success by 2026, core AI skill focus on moving beyond simple chatbot to mastering automation, agent integration protocol, and the evolving software development practice. According to the source that the essential AI skill for 2026 including AI isn't mastery. Mastery AI agent is the critical skill moving from understanding and fundamental to build developing then local. Fundamental. Use understand how agent operate automation to the completed complex tasks. Build AI agent. Learning to build AI application using a tool like Bolt. Create customer personal AI assistant. Harmless agent. Local development. The ability to run manage AI agent on your own hardware for privacy and control. Advice prompting and large language model LLM integration. General AI literacy is no longer ignored. Professional level profession is the specific ISO system is the required. Prompt engineering, master of advanced technical such as those touching is the Google professional level course is the essential to the maximum model output. Cal- calcul- Including ecosystem, there is heavy emphasis the mastering, including co-work, workflow, learning its core fundamental and the building self-improving knowledge in basic model context protocoler MCP. Understanding how to use MCP allow the AI model to the better interface with the external data and tools. Evolution the technical skill. The way technical work is the performed is shifting to our software 3.0. Coding in 2026 skill are evolving. The focus on shifting toward learning how to code in any AI adjustment environmental building higher profitable AI driving business. Open source AI. Knowing how to run and manage open source AI model independent is the key technical differential. Data science fundamental skill like SQL remain vital particle for the data science rules and the passing technical interviews. AI protective and the risk management. Success also depend on use AI level information management will avoid professionally pitfall. Implement synthetics utilizing tool like NodeKLM to the manage research and the complex information effectively. AI risk management identify the avoid specific AI risks that could lead to negative professional consequences or jobless loss. Business application leveraging AI for the automate revenue streams such as create faceless social media contacts.